How to create new Microsoft Word document. Open Word application. Click blank document. Here you can enter different type of formats. One is text, table, images. Like this way you can enter text format. How to create new document. New document. Next, table. How to insert tables. Click insert, go to table and select how many columns, how many rows you want, and enter whatever text you require. Like example, table 1, table 2, table 3, like this way. Next, images. How to insert images. It's very simple. Click insert, select image, click insert. See here, image came. So like this way you can create one document with text format, images and tables. After completion of your work, you click this save icon and it will show where to save. Click computer and desktop and give the name new document. Click save. Click picture. Let us see. We will check once again it is saved or not. I saved in my desktop with the new document name. See, this is document. Click open. See, everything was saved. Thank you for watching.